Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CoverHound to compare auto insurance discounts, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type CoverHound into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official CoverHound website from the search results. Click on the link to access the site. Once on the CoverHound homepage, look for the auto insurance section. Click on the auto insurance option to proceed. You will be directed to a page focused on comparing auto insurance rates. Locate and click on the button that says Get Started or Compare Quotes. Fill in the required information on the insurance quote form. This typically includes your zip code, vehicle information, and personal details. Ensure that all information is accurate to get the most relevant quotes. After completing the form, click the Next button. On the next screen, you may see various auto insurance providers listed. Look for an option labeled Discounts or Covered Discounts. Click on that option to view available discounts for different insurers. Review the discounts offered by each insurer in the comparison table. Take note of how each discount affects the overall cost of the policy. Select the providers you are most interested in to see more details. You may be prompted to provide additional information for more specific quotes. After submitting the details, review the updated quotes and discounts. If satisfied, you can proceed to purchase a policy directly from the site. Alternatively, you can save your quotes for future reference by creating an account. Make sure to follow any additional prompts until you finalize your insurance selection. Congratulations, you have successfully configured CoverHound to compare auto insurance discounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.